Hey cruisers, welcome on board the MSC Seaside. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a full room tour of an ocean view room on board the MSC Seaside. So stay tuned. Walking into this room for the first time, I was genuinely impressed. As you walk in, you pass the bathroom and you come to the bed area. Of course, it was set up nicely with all our amenities, but what was more impressive was just how much more room was left over past the bed. This room doesn't feel narrow or short at all like we've experienced on other MSC ships or even on Royal Caribbean ships. And just to give you an idea of how big this room actually is, I mean, just look at how much room you get. This is just an ocean view room. Okay, so as you first come in the room, you come to this nice bed area, and as you can see, it's already set up for you. If you need any amenities, they should be here, towels, slippers. But if not, you're still gonna have all your important paperwork as well as a landing pad there to protect your bed if you wanna unload your luggage. On either side of the bed, you're gonna have nightstands, and the nightstands each have 2 drawers, as you can see. There's a switch on either side of the bed to turn on lights, as well as the lights next to the bed have their own lights. But this switch on this side actually has a USB-A port as well, which is really nice, so you can charge your device right there, right next to your bed. Moving on from the bed, we come to the couch area. This one is already converted to a bed for our daughter, but this is where it would be, and your room steward can convert them back if you do want them converted back. Across from that, we're gonna have the desk area and the TV. So your desk is also gonna have your paperwork that you need for the trip, as well as your TV here, and your TV swivels back and forth, which is really nice. Your phone is on your desk. You can see there's a pocket there to keep anything, plugs for charging anything you need, as well as US plugs on this side, USB plugs, and then there's your paperwork, showing you how to connect to everything you need, as well as your ice bucket and some cups for water. And then finally, because this is an ocean view room, you do get to the end of the room where you do have your porthole here. And as you can see, it is kind of neat. It's like a cubby that you can actually sit in and look out the window. Today we're in port, but if we weren't, we could be looking out at the beautiful ocean. Turning around from here, we'll look back towards the bed. Let's head to the bathroom. So stepping into the bathroom, one of the first things you'll see is the shower. The shower has a glass enclosure, so it's not the little curtain or the little tube doors, but it is pretty small, and I'll show you that now. It's barely big enough for me to get inside of it and stand there comfortably. I'm 6 foot tall, so just take that into account. Other than that, just behind the shower, you're gonna have your toilet area, and then you have a pretty small area behind me, which is gonna be your sink area, and then just a couple shelves for storage, and that's really it. Well, we hope that was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate you guys so much. As always, you can use the QR code here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even on board the MSC Seaside. We appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you on the next one.